Along with programs that include travel experiences, language, and cooking courses, the Italian Cultural Institute offers free Da Vinci lectures during the 500th anniversary of the artist's death. Here with more details is the technical manager of the Italian Cultural Institute of Chicago, Vincent DeSandro. Welcome to Community Connection.
Thank you.
That's unfathomable, 500 years since the death of Leonardo da Vinci. Such a brilliant man, and what a great opportunity for you at the Cultural Center to expose people to some of the things that he accomplished during his lifetime, and also to enlighten us on the Italian culture.
Yeah, I definitely agree. You're right there. The Italian Cultural Institute is located on Michigan Avenue downtown. We're just north of the river, and we're thrilled to have this opportunity to let the people of Chicago know the contributions that Leonardo da Vinci made. And we have some experts coming in to talk about exactly what he's done and some insight that will be interesting.
So obviously you had adequate time to prepare this program, and it's kind of a long celebration that really focuses on a lot of different aspects.
That's right. Thankfully, we have experts in the field. One of the instructors who will be presenting is from the School of the Art Institute, Giovanni Aloi. He's an art historian, so he knows the material quite well, and he's given one lecture there so far, and he has 3 more programmed for February, March, and April.
How did the Cultural Center start? It was founded in 1985. What was the premise behind the founding of it?
Okay, so the ultimate objective of the Italian Cultural Institute is to promote Italian culture through cultural events as well as academic events. And we partner with a lot of the local entities such as the Art Institute, the Newberry Library, the Siskel Film Center, and we do that through different mediums. It could be from screenings of films. It could be lectures like we were talking about Leonardo coming up. We also work with architectural foundations
and what a rich culture you have to draw upon architecturally, artistically, even culinary.
Yeah, that's right. I'm glad you bring that up. We actually will be partnering to offer a taste of Italian language and food. We're going to be offering classes through ItalCultura, which is the Italian language school next door, and they offer a wide array of language classes. But there's a particular class that we're introducing beginners to, and an interesting angle. Why not learn about Italian food and the culture behind the food along with the language? And so classes will be taught at Italy coming up in April, where you'll spend half the time learning about food preparation from different regions of Italy, and they'll be rotating to a new region each week. And the last hour is spent learning about food preparation, and there's food sampling and wine sampling.
Which always sounds good, any kind of food, but especially Italian food. So is this course designed primarily for non-Italians? Is it for people who are contemplating a trip to Italy? Who is it tailored to?
It's really open, but I think it's nicely set up for people that are just maybe curious about Italy, and it's a good way to lead into preparing for a trip.
And what a rich culture. So learnitalianchicago.com is a website, but you have a couple different websites, and the celebration goes on through the next 3 months. The schedule of events is listed on your website, right?
That's right. The Italian Cultural Institute is primarily focused on the cultural events, and so we have a full schedule for the next few months.
And do we expect these courses and offerings to sell out?
Some of them do. We offer, like I was saying, a range of courses. So the beginner classes tend to have more students, and then there are more advanced classes where the class size may be a little bit smaller. And we're actually going to be offering a specific class for those that speak Italian at an advanced level. It'll be focused on Leonardo da Vinci as well.
Oh, fascinating. So regardless of your interest, whether you want a course or a lecture, Go to the website, learnitalianchicago.com, get more information. Vincent, thanks for being with us. We wish you much success.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.